Well, first came a summer wave of COVID-19. Now it's whooping cough. Cases are skyrocketing all across the country, including here in the DMV. And Virginia is getting hit particularly hard. There have been 424 cases in the Commonwealth so far this year, compared to 72 all of last year. I spoke with an infectious disease specialist at Howard University Hospital on why we're seeing such a significant spike. Our conversation is what's going around.
Disease is only found in humans, and what happens is that the bacteria, if breathed in, will attach to the tiny hairs inside of the nostrils called cilia, which is an upper part of the respiratory tract, and then they release toxins, which are poisons, and these toxins damage these cilia, these little hair-like projections that you see in the nose that helps prevent germs from going in. So it's a very serious disease.
Dr. Maxwell, why are we seeing a rise in whooping cough cases right now across the DMV?
We have seen a significant rise, particularly in the DMV area. Most notably in Virginia. So it is believed that because of the not so much dismantling, but the relaxing of the COVID measures that we had in place, we begin to see more people affected and infected with this disease. So yes, that is a real trend that we're seeing and would really like to stop.
Yeah, of course. And Dr. Maxwell, what are some of the symptoms of whooping cough? What should we be looking out for?
You can get things like a stuffy nose, a low-grade fever, and initially a mild cough. By week 2, however, with whooping cough or pertussis, this cough can become more severe. And it can happen day or night, and it comes in bouts. They are called paroxysm, big word for fits of coughing or coughing spells.
Dr. Maxwell, so how do you prevent whooping cough?
Oh, you can prevent whooping cough by having a vaccine. In adults, this vaccine is given every 10 years. In children or infants, it's a little bit different in terms of the timeline, but the vaccine is very effective to prevent this disease, which should be the option that we look for, because treatment, while still very good, in some instances may not work as effectively